Here the question is derive the expression for ratio and phase angle error of current transformer. So we have to derive the ratio, and phase angle error. So this phasor diagram is not necessary to draw in the exam paper, but for understanding purpose you need. What is delta? This angle, delta angle is in between, angle between secondary current IS and induced voltage or EMF E1 or E2. Rather we can call it the angle between secondary current IS and secondary induced EMF E2. E1 and E2 both are in the same line. So when we look at the primary side, here this angle is delta. The secondary induced secondary current in the when it is reflected to the primary side, it is NIS, and this angle is delta. And alpha is the angle between I0 and flux phi. So Im is equal to I0 cos delta and I is equal to I0 sine delta. So we have to remember this one. So next, what is the transformation ratio of current transformer? Is the primary phasor by secondary phasor, that is primary current by secondary current. We have derived this expression. It will be available in separate videos. So R is equal to N plus Im sin delta plus I cos delta by Is. So this is equation 1. This is equation now. Now the ratio error is defined as nominal ratio minus actual ratio by actual ratio into 100. That is in percentage form. So what is nominal ratio is equal to Kn minus R by R into 100%. So, and we know that R is equal to, expression of R is equal to N plus Im sin delta plus I cos delta by Is. Now phase angle, for deriving phase angle error, we first know the expression of the phase angle. So phase angle theta is equal to, in degree, it is 180 by pi Im cos delta minus I sin delta by NIS. So now for usual instrument burden, that is in the load side, instrument burden is largely resistive, with some inductance is there. Therefore, the delta is positive and generally small. So which one is delta? This one. Angle between Is and the induced EMF E2. As delta is very small, so sin delta is equal to 0 and cos delta is equal to 1. Now what we can do, we have to put the value of sin delta is equal to 0, cos delta is equal to 1 in equation 1. What is in equation 1? N plus Im sin delta and IE cos delta by IS. So sine delta is equal to 0. The sine 0 is equal to 0 as it is very small, and cos delta, cos 0 is equal to what? So it is n plus IE cos delta, IE n plus IE by IS. So from this equation directly I can write R is equal to n plus IE by IS. Now IP is equal to NIS. It's almost equal to NIS. So from that I can write IS is equal to IP by N. Now put these values over here. So it is equal to N plus NIE by IP. So this is the expression. So this is equation 2, theta, and this is equation is 3. Phase angle theta, expression of the phase angle theta is what? 80 by pi Im cos delta minus I sin delta by NIS. So again I am putting the value of sin delta is equal to 0. So this part will be 0. This part will be 0 and cos delta is equal to 1. So 180 by pi Im and NIS is equal to IP. So IM by IP. This is correct. So this is the approximate formula for phase angle error. And R is equal to N into 1 plus IE by IP is the approximate formula for transformation ratio. So we can find out the ratio error and phase angle error. Thank you very much for watching. So here I can take N into common 1 plus IE by IP.